Hi, I'm Al Redmer, Maryland's Insurance Commissioner. In order to understand your health insurance, it's important to understand the cost you may be responsible for and the terms used in your policy. The purpose of this video is to review some of the basic terms. Remember, you should talk with your insurance carrier if you have specific questions about your policy. Now let's get started. First, premium. This is the amount you and/or your employer pays to the insurance carrier for your policy. Next, deductible. The deductible is the amount of money you must pay toward covered services before the insurance carrier begins to make payments. For example, if you have a $2,000 deductible, you or your providers must submit claims that total more than $2,000 before the insurance carrier begins to pay. If a claim from an in-network provider is applied to the deductible, you owe only the allowable amount shown on your explanation of benefits statement, otherwise known as an EOB. Charges above the allowable amount are not applied to your deductible. Next, out-of-pocket maximum. This is the maximum amount you pay in a policy period before the insurance carrier pays 100% of covered services. You may get credit for your deductible, copays, and coinsurance. You will usually not receive credit for any charges above the allowable amount or denied claims. In-network provider is a healthcare provider who has a contract with your insurance carrier. Those who do not have a contract are called out-of-network providers. Coinsurance is your share of a covered service expressed as a percentage. As an example, if you have a 20% coinsurance and the service costs $100, then you would pay $20. A copay is a set dollar amount you must pay for a covered service. For example, a $20 copay for an in-network office visit. The allowable amount, now that's the maximum an insurance company will pay for a specific service. Any coinsurance you have to pay will be based on the allowable amount and not the amount billed by the provider. Now, if you receive services from an out-of-network provider, they may charge more than the allowable amount, and you may be responsible for the difference. This is called balance billing. Now, preventative services, these services do not require you to meet your deductible or pay out-of-pocket costs if the provider is in their network. You should consult your policy before assuming that a service will be preventative. A service can be preventive if it is to screen for a health condition, but that same diagnostic may not be preventive if you are going to the doctor because you have symptoms. For more information, see the Maryland Insurance Administration's Consumer Guide to Understanding Your Health Insurance Costs, which is available on our website at www.insurance.maryland.gov. Again, that's insurance.maryland.gov. And thanks for watching.